Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about measuring the strength of relationships with persons or correlation. This is quarter 4, data and probability, lesson Roman numeral number 13, measuring the strength of relationships with persons or correlation. The intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define persons or correlation and explain its purpose in a statistical analysis. Differentiate positive, negative, and zero correlation with appropriate examples. Compute persons or correlation coefficient using manual calculation and technology, Excel or calculator. Interpret the value of persons R in terms of direction, positive or negative, and strength, weak, moderate, or strong. Evaluate the statistical significance of persons R in real-world data analysis. Apply persons R correlation to analyze relationship between two quantitative variables in practical concepts. What is a persons R correlation? Well, persons R correlation coefficient, symbolized as R, is a statistical measure that shows the degree of linear relationships between two quantitative variables. It ranges from -1 to +1. +1 means a perfect positive linear correlation. -1 means a perfect negative linear correlation. 0 means no linear correlation. The formula for persons are R is equal to the summation of xi minus x bar times y bar minus yi minus y bar all over the square root of the summation of x1 minus x bar squared, summation of yi minus y squared. Xi, yi, these are values of variables x and y. X bar, y bar, means of x and y. This formula measures how much x and y vary together relative to how much they vary individually. Interpretation of R values. Direction of relationship. Positive R, as x increases, y tends to increase. Negative R, as x increases, y tends to decrease. The strength of relationship. The general guideline. From 0.00 to 0.19, very weak. 0.20 to 0.39, weak. 0.4 to 0.59, moderate. 0.6 to 0.79, strong. And then 0.8 to 1.0, very strong. Assumption of persons are: both variables are quantitative, interval, or ratio. Relationship should be linear, can be checked with scatter plot. No significant outliers that distort the relationship. Computing persons are using technology in Excel. Use the formula equal Corel and then open parenthesis array 1, comma, array 2, close in parenthesis. Or insert scatter plot, then add trend line, then display r squared, and take the square root to get the absolute value of r, and determine sign from the slope. Using calculator or software. Most statistical software, SPSS, R, Python, etc., directly computes R. Real-world applications in education. Relationship between study time and test scores. In business, relationship between advertising expenses and sales revenues. In health, relationship between exercise hours and weight loss. Engineering or science, relationship between temperature and reaction rate. Limitations of persons are: only measures linear relationship, cannot detect nonlinear associations. Correlation does not imply causation. Example, ice cream sales and drowning rates may be correlated due to a third variable, summer heat. Sensitive to outliers, which can drastically change the value of R. Practice problems. For quarter 4, data and probability, Roman numeral number 13, Measuring the strength of relationships with persons are correlation. Direction. Compute persons are correlation to determine the degree and the direction of the relationship. Study hours versus test scores. Our X values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and Y scores 50, 65, 70, 80, and then 95. For problem number 1, our N is 5, our persons R is 0.9878. The p-value is 0.001623. The direction is positive, degree very strong. That is by using Excel. Number 2, age versus number of daily steps. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. The Y steps, we have 11,200, 10,500, 9,800, 9,100, 8,500. Using Excel for problem number 2, our N is 6 and R is negative 0.9992. The p-value is 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. The direction is negative, and then the degree is very strong. Number 3, temperature versus ice cream sales. Our X is in degrees centigrade. We have 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. And then our Y, which is the sales, 150, 170, 190, 210, and 230. Using Excel for our problem number 3, the N is 5, R is 1, p-value is 0, direction is positive, degree is very strong. Number 4, car age versus resale value. X in years, 13579. Y value in 1,000 pesos, we have 800, 600, 450, 300, 200. So using Excel for our problem number 4, N is 5, R is negative 0.9934, our p-value is 0.000643, the direction is negative, and the degree is very strong. Number 5, exercise time versus body mass index. Our X is in minutes per day, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Our Y, BMI, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. So the problem, for problem number 5, using Excel, N is 5, R is negative 1, p-value is 0, direction is negative, the degree is very strong. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 13.